Creating 2D animation videos used to require years of training, expensive software, and countless hours of frame-by-frame drawing. But what if I told you that you can create polished 2D animated videos in minutes, powered entirely by text prompts? I've been testing AI animation tools for months, and the results are absolutely incredible. You can create dynamic cartoon characters, smooth animations, and cinematic scenes that look like they came straight from a professional animation studio, all without any traditional animation skills. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create 2D animation videos that capture that classic cartoon style, from character design to full animated scenes. We're going to use OpenArt for this entire process because it has the most advanced 2D animation capabilities I've found. By the way, if you want to follow along, I'll leave a link for OpenArt in the description below. First, let's head over to OpenArt. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look for the video option in the main navigation. It should be right at the top of the screen. Click on that and you'll now see 4 different video generation modes available, each designed for different types of content. You've got text to video for creating scenes from scratch, image to video for animating existing artwork, element to video for combining multiple reference images, and audio for adding voiceovers with lip sync. For 2D animation videos, we're going to focus on 2 main approaches: text to video for creating animated scenes from scratch, and image to video for bringing static cartoon images to life. Let's start with text to video, since it's the most straightforward for beginners. Click on text to video and you'll see the prompt field appear. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They use basic prompts like cartoon character walking and wonder why their results look generic. For 2D animations that capture that professional cartoon aesthetic, you need to be incredibly specific about what you want. Let me show you what I mean. Instead of a basic prompt, I'm going to create something like this. A cheerful cartoon fox with bright orange fur and a bushy tail bounces through a colorful forest clearing. The fox wears a small blue vest and has large expressive eyes. Sunlight filters through the green leaves above, creating dappled shadows on the ground. The fox's movement is bouncy and energetic, with its tail swishing behind. Classic 2D animation style with smooth, fluid motion and vibrant colors. Notice how I included specific visual elements: the orange fur, blue vest, and large expressive eyes. I also specified the movement, style, and lighting conditions, which are crucial for creating that authentic cartoon feel. Now, you want to select the Video AI model from the drop-down menu. Out of all the ones I've tested, this delivers the most consistent 2D animation results with that classic cartoon look we're going for. Before hitting create, let's optimize a few settings. Make sure Auto Enhance is checked. This helps the AI understand your prompt better and often improves the overall animation quality. You can also adjust the duration here. For your first attempts, I recommend starting with 5-second clips to see how the model interprets your prompt before committing to longer generations. Now click create and let's see what we get. Look at this result. The character design is spot on with those large expressive eyes, and the way the sunlight creates those dappled shadows adds so much depth to the scene. The bouncing animation is smooth and captures that classic cartoon physics we wanted. Now, let me show you an even more powerful technique, the image to video feature. This is perfect when you want to animate a specific character design that you've already created. First, I'll generate a static image of our cartoon character using OpenArt's image generator. I want to create a character that has that classic 2D cartoon look. Think Disney or Pixar style with clean lines and vibrant colors. I'll use this prompt: a friendly cartoon rabbit character with soft white fur and pink inner ears wearing a red bow tie. The rabbit has large round eyes with a gentle expression and a small pink nose. Clean 2D animation style with smooth lines, bright colors, and professional cartoon character design. Full body view, standing in a neutral pose, set in simple cartoon scenery with green grass, a few colorful flowers, and a bright blue sky with fluffy white clouds. Once I have this character image, I'll click on image to video and upload it. Then I'll select the same Video AI model and add a prompt like cartoon rabbit character waving hello with a cheerful, friendly expression. The rabbit's ears gently bounce with each small movement, and the red bow tie sways slightly as it waves. Its eyes blink naturally, adding life to the expression, and the mouth smiles warmly as if greeting a friend. The rabbit's hands are drawn with 4 fingers each, matching classic cartoon design. Subtle body motion makes the rabbit shift weight from one foot to the other, giving a lively and animated feel. What's amazing about this approach is that it preserves all the details from your original character design while adding natural cartoon style movement. You can see how the ears bounce naturally, the bow tie moves with realistic cartoon physics, and those expressive eyes maintain their charm throughout the animation. animation. The animation quality here is incredible. Look at how smooth the waving motion is, and notice how the ears have that perfect cartoon bounce that makes the character feel alive and energetic. Now, here's where things get really powerful, creating a consistent character that you can use across multiple videos. Instead of generating random characters each time, we're going to create our own cartoon character that maintains the same appearance in every scene. First, I'll generate a reference image using this detailed prompt. 2D cartoon style female cat character with purple fur and bright green eyes. She wears a yellow dress with small flower patterns. The character has a friendly, approachable expression with a small pink nose and white whiskers. Clean line work, vibrant colors, professional cartoon character design, full body view in a neutral standing pose with minimal background. This sets up a solid base character that reflects the 2D cartoon look we're aiming for. Now navigate to the main menu in OpenArt. Click Create Character and you'll see 3 options. These 3 options work differently. Start with Description, creates a character from text only. Use this when you have a clear vision but no reference image. Start with one image is used when you already have a single reference image, like we do here. And Start with 4+ images gives maximum consistency, but requires multiple reference photos of the same character from different angles. I'll click Start with one image, upload our cat character reference, name our character Luna, and click Create Character. OpenArt will now process this for about 5 to 10 minutes, creating a specialized model just for our character. This is incredibly powerful because it means Luna will look exactly the same in every scene we create. Once the processing is complete, I can now generate multiple images of Luna in different poses and situations while maintaining her consistent appearance. Let me create several scenes. First, I'll generate Luna sitting at a small wooden table in a cozy kitchen holding a steaming cup of tea. Warm morning sunlight streams through a window behind her, creating a peaceful, homey atmosphere. Her yellow dress with flower patterns is clearly visible and her expression is content and relaxed. Then Luna walking through a colorful flower garden, her yellow dress flowing gently as she moves between tall sunflowers and roses. Her green eyes sparkle with wonder and joy. The scene has a magical storybook quality. And finally, Luna reading a book under a large oak tree with autumn leaves gently falling around her. She's sitting on a red blanket with her legs stretched forward, holding the book in her lap. Soft golden light creates a peaceful, contemplative mood. Look at how consistent her features are across all these images. Bright green eyes and that distinctive yellow dress. This is the power of OpenArt's character consistency feature. Now, let's bring these static images to life by converting them into animated videos. I'll take each of the images we just created and turn them into dynamic 2D animated scenes using the image to video feature. First, I'll animate the kitchen scene. I'll click on Image to Video and keep the video AI model selected. For the prompt, I'll write cat character gently sipping tea, steam rising from the cup, subtle breathing motion and occasional blinking, peaceful morning atmosphere with soft lighting. The result is beautiful. You can see the gentle steam rising from the teacup and Luna's subtle movements make the scene feel alive and cozy. Second, let's animate the garden scene. I'll upload the garden image and prompt cat character walking slowly through the flower garden, dress gently swaying, flowers moving slightly, and a gentle breeze, magical, peaceful atmosphere. The animation captures that storybook quality perfectly, with Luna's dress moving naturally as she walks. Finally, I'll animate the reading scene with cat character turning pages of the book occasionally, autumn leaves gently falling around her, subtle reading motions, peaceful and contemplative atmosphere. And there we have it. 3 beautifully animated scenes featuring our consistent character Luna, each with its own unique mood and setting. The amazing thing about these results is how they consistently keep that professional 2D animation quality. The character consistency is spot on, the movements are smooth and natural, and each scene has its own distinct atmosphere while maintaining the same cartoon aesthetic. The kitchen scene has that cozy morning warmth that makes you want to join Luna for tea. The garden scene captures that magical storybook feeling with the butterflies and flowing dress. The reading scene carries a calm, thoughtful mood that works beautifully for storytelling. So now you know how to create 2D animation videos with AI, complete with consistent characters that you can use across multiple scenes. And with OpenArt, you can build your own cartoon universe in just minutes, creating everything from character introductions to full animated stories. If you want to start creating your own 2D animation videos with consistent characters, click the link in the description to try OpenArt. And if you want to learn how to create anime-style videos with AI, watch this video next.